If you're looking to improve your Amazon product rankings and want to understand how JungleScout can help you do that, you're in the right place. JungleScout is one of the best tools for Amazon sellers, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to leverage JungleScout's features to boost your product's visibility and ultimately your sales. First, let's talk about how JungleScout helps you find the right product to sell. This is the foundation of any successful Amazon business. With JungleScout's product database, you can easily filter through thousands of products to find high-demand, low-competition items. You can search by category, price range, reviews, and more to identify opportunities that are likely to lead to success. You'll find products with solid sales potential and a good margin, making it easier to get started. Once you've identified the right product, the next step is to track your competition. JungleScout offers a feature called the Product Tracker, which allows you to monitor your competitors in real time. By tracking their prices, sales volume, and reviews, you can gather crucial data to make informed decisions about your own pricing and strategies. This is key to staying ahead of the competition and ensuring you're offering something that stands out in the marketplace. Now let's move on to keyword research. If you want to rank higher on Amazon, you need to optimize your product listings with the right keywords. JungleScout's Keyword Scout tool helps you discover the most relevant and high traffic keywords for your niche. It shows you the search volume, competition level, and trends for each keyword, so you can choose the ones that will give you the best chance of being found by potential customers. One of the most important aspects of improving your Amazon product rankings is optimizing your listing. JungleScout makes this easy with its Listing Builder feature. It helps you create an optimized product listing by guiding you through the process of using the right keywords in your title, bullet points, and product description. Plus, the tool gives you an overall score to help you see how well your listing is optimized, making it easier to make adjustments for better performance. Another great feature is JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool. This allows you to track your sales and profits, which is crucial for understanding your ROI and making adjustments to your pricing or advertising strategies. By analyzing this data, you can find out what's working and what's not, which can help you optimize your campaigns and continue improving your Amazon rankings. Finally, JungleScout offers a powerful ads dashboard to manage your Amazon PPC campaigns. With the ads dashboard, you can track and optimize your ad spend, making sure you're getting the best return on investment. Effective advertising is one of the quickest ways to boost your product rankings, and this tool allows you to monitor and adjust your campaigns to maximize your success. The best part is, you can start using JungleScout completely for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've partnered with JungleScout to offer you an extended free trial, so you can test all these features for yourself and see just how much it can improve your Amazon rankings. To recap, if you want to improve your Amazon product rankings, JungleScout is a powerful tool that can help you find the right product, track your competition, optimize your listings, and boost your sales through smarter advertising. Use the link below to get your exclusive free trial today and start seeing results.